what I am up to this time of night. So this is my apparel tag that goes on my clothing. These tags, and then also with the apparel tags, I have some that's like that comes in the black background too. Just like I have the handbag ones that come in both black and white. So yeah, this is what I'm up doing. Trying to get ready for this new space. All right, y'all. Good night, because I am Audi 5000. All right. All right, so as y'all know before, I was changing stores. So I am staying where I am. So as you can see, we are setting back up. Yeah. Ain't that right? Oh, she's looking at TV. And him. All right, so we are getting set back up. So yeah, there's a lot of things to get through. So new inventory, all that over here is new inventory. Stuff over there, but I had to find something to put in. So yeah. All right, guys. All right, so here's some of the new inventory. Here's some of the new inventory here that I am going through. Still some more. So we getting there, y'all. We getting there. We getting there. All right, so he is helping taking inventory out the boxes. So we're trying to go as quick as we can. Slowly but surely, I will be taking product photos as well. Okay, so we are about to get started with this. Tagging done. Here's the overview of where we are with everything. Yeah, I'm tired. I am super tired. So, okay, he's dealing with the baby. Okay, I was gonna say we're getting there, but no, we're not. We're not getting there. Yeah, we're not. Yeah, it's still a lot. Yeah. But yeah, it's still a lot to do. So yeah, just walking you through. I'm outie. All right, I still have a ways to go. Maybe 2 more shelves up over there, maybe. But at least I'm getting my fall items out. We got some more 2-piece sets here. So got some more sets. My back wall come together. We'll put over there, maybe some shirts. Over here is done actually. Yeah. Yeah. Well, all right. Over here, a lot of the stuff dusted off. And that's gonna get hung up. All right.